When I first was introduced to Rangahau, I didn't think it was that important, but I've since learnt. I think it is a vital, it's an integral part that I've over time discovered within our field. It plays a vital role. Whakairo plays a vital role for us because as carvers or whakairo, kai whakairo, we are responsible for recording the histories of our people. So it's important for us to ensure that the accuracy of those histories are recorded. We record them in carved form, so that's our writing form. So I'd like to see myself as a writer of our histories. There's a common saying about master carvers, and it's quite common amongst, even within our people today. But I think for me, one must master him or herself first. And the mastery of their craft follows through, I think. So for me, in terms of the future for whakairo, I think I'm working on myself. I think that's where the inner transformation comes in. And it's reflected through our work and our practice. To me, it has been a journey, a personal journey. Being privileged, I suppose, and lucky to be able to practice whakairo. It's that field that actually changes us, refines us as a people, as a person. So it's a constant, it's constantly reflecting on every aspect of our lives. Yeah, we start to internalize what we practice, what we teach within our own individual lives. I think that's the essence or the key factor of what whakairo is to me and the rangahau that I do.